I created this AI dialogue scene all for free. There was no credit card needed. There was no subscription needed. The good part is that it keeps giving you free credits every blessed day. So let me show you exactly how I made it. But before that, take a quick look at this sample.
See this one? She's here because her papa owed my brother money. No love, no family background. She's just a debt settlement.
So if this is your first time meeting me on this channel, please do well to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you find this tutorial today useful. And don't forget, please, to share it. It's very important. It helps us if you are able to share it. All right, so let's go there now.
This is AI Mastery Tutorial.
So to create our movie now, we are going to use Flow AI. You can see this is Flow AI here. These are the videos that you just watched. You can see I generated them right here on Flow Station, and it's all for free. So when you log in into your Flow, remember to log in. Then they will give you a 50 credit. Tap on your profile here. Let's see it. You can see you are given a 50 credit to use, and this 50 credit renews every blessed day. It renews every day. So once your credit finish, the next day your credit will refresh again. All right. Now another thing is that if you don't want to see a watermark, if you don't want to see that Gemini watermark that usually drop on Flow AI, you can easily turn it off or on by coming over to this place. You see where they write visible watermarking. You can decide to turn it off by leaving it off as my own or is off. If it's off automatically, then there will not be any watermark inside your video. But when you turn it on like this, it means that there will be watermark on your video. So for me, I usually leave it turned off this way. So after turning it off, the next thing we'll do is to come over to this plus sign here. Then you click on your plus. I see all the images I have used so far, but now I want to put in a different photo. Okay, so I need to click on this upload media here. Here, and I can see that the image is loading. You can see that the image we are trying to upload have to load. Okay, so you allow it to load here. See that the image have load already. So what you need to do here now is to click on add to prompt. You can see the image is already there. So let's add the second image because I'm using two reference images. Next image is this lady here. I click on add prompt again. So after my two references are already, I'll now drop in my prompt of what I want these things to do. Okay, drop in my prompt here now. Now, if you watch on my prompt, you can see that I added a scene setting, how I want my scene to look like. Okay, then I added their dialogue, and on each of these ladies, no, but you can see that both of them are lady. One is wearing pink, one is wearing cream color. So I was able to tell the AI exactly how each character look like, so that they will know the character that is saying a particular thing. Okay, because remember this is a dialogue scene, right? So you can see that I differentiate Ifeoma, the lady on pink. So the Ifeoma is going to say this particular thing now. Okay, and also describe the other lady, the one on ground, that's Dora, is the lady on the cream color gown. Okay, so this is what, and you can see that their dialogues is already there. So when you are there, you come over to this place to set in your put in your settings. So make sure your setting is on video. Then choose your aspect ratio, whether 9:16 or 16:9. Okay, so I'm using portrait, which is for reels and for shorts. Okay, then I'm using a 10 seconds generation, and I'm also leaving it in generating in one particular video at a time. So the flash we are going to use is the Omni flash. So make sure it's in Omni flash. Okay, but that's the latest Google Flow modem. All right. So since we are done, the next thing to do is to hit on the generate by clicking on this button here. Now over here, you will notice that the video is generating right here now. Okay, just few seconds, it will be ready.
Who is that for? The children in the slum nearby, they often go hungry.
I've seen how the first scene generated and it was very okay. So we are going to repeat the same thing on the second scene by still adding the images again. Added the same images that we used in the first scene, so we're using it for the second scene as well. So we'll drop the new second scene, the prompt of the second scene. Okay, so remember we are still using the same scene setting that we used at the first one, so that everything will remain the same. Okay, so this is what we are the second scene, how it looks like. So the next thing is to hit generation. Make sure that your former general settings are the same as this one. All right. So you click send again. Can see generating over here. Now our second scene is ready as well. Let's take a look at this second one.
You're not like the women I know. You could have run off or taken other men's money, yet you stay proud.
So you have seen exactly how I created this thing. You can see the free credits that was given there, and you can see that we did not spend anything. We did not subscribe to anything. We did not use our credit card. It all comes out for free using Google Flow AI. So let me know in the comment section the part that you did not understand. And if you have any question at all, please drop it right there in the comment section. And if you have any AI tool you want me to teach you, please also let me know, okay? I will get back to you. See you in another one. Bye for now.